Hey everyone, so let's do a check-in. So just get into a comfortable position where you won't be disturbed. And just close your eyes. And take a deep breath in through your nose. Sigh it out. Relaxing your body, relaxing your mind. Take another deep breath in through your nose. Sigh it out. And place a hand or two over your heart. Continue to breathe. Continue to allow that breath flow nice and easy. Begin to drop into your heart center, bringing your awareness at the center of the spiritual heart. Where is it in your life this week? Or maybe you felt a little disappointed, or maybe felt a little sad. Maybe there was a certain situation or scenario that occurred that didn't go your way. Or maybe there was a little bit of heartbreak. Whatever it was or is, know that things will become better by giving yourself the love and the attention, the respect that you need. By going within to your heart center and allowing that love within your heart to expand and grow and embrace you. We are going to experience contrasting emotions, contrasting situations. It's how we deal with them is what makes the difference. And it isn't to say that we don't honor those emotions of sadness or grief or loss or disappointment. But it is to say that we can understand them, understand why they are there, and we can move through those emotions into a better feeling and a better thought. So if you are feeling a little bit low right now, or feeling sad, that's okay. It's okay to honor that. But know that you are worthy of so much more, of feeling better, of feeling happiness and joy and love. And now you may not be able to change what is happening in this moment or what happened, but you can change the feeling of it. You can begin to bring yourself into a new awareness, a new understanding, and then loving yourself more and more each day. Choosing each day to feel better, to have an improved thought and an improved emotion, and choosing to rise up. And there's something very empowering about knowing that we get to choose how we want to feel. So continue to love yourself. Continue to care for yourself. Because you are worthy and you are loved. So you can stay here as long as you like. And whenever you are ready, you can slowly bring yourself out. Bring yourself back into your body, back into the space. So thank you for being here. Namaste.